Hello, welcome to this episode of Camping and Cooking. All right, we're going to get ready to enjoy our meal. Let's jump right in and show you what we got going on today. Hello everybody, Chef Robert here, and we are at the Faria Beach Park here in Ventura, California, just off the coast. And you know, we have access to the sand by walking up the path there a little bit and getting onto the Rincon area of the Faria Beach. And tonight for dinner, we're going to be cooking up a special dinner here on the barbecue, because what is camping without great cooking? Yes, here we go. I'm getting it started right now. That is lamb chops, folks, and lobster tail, along with some sweet potato and some other stuff coming up. Here's the finished meal right off the barbecue. Got some lamb chops going, that beautiful looking lobster. Look at that right there. You know, the way I did the lobster is really easy. I just cut it with the scissors right up the middle of the shell, cooked it on there, let it absorb the heat, and it is ready to go. That's a meal fit for a king, and I feel like a king tonight. All right, I hope you enjoy this episode. I hope you enjoy your camping. And you know what? Don't cheat yourself. Make sure you eat great meals and prepare great things whenever you're camping, and just enjoying life.